Now, let me share my screen as well. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Hope you all are doing good. So first, we welcome to all of you for joining this session, and I think we are good to start. So let's proceed further. So this demo session is all about for all query sources. Either you are working in performance testing, automation testing, wherever. If you are looking some growth opportunities, and also this will be very fruitful for all of you. And let me clear one more thing. Whatever query you guys will have, we will have enough time later on. Okay. At the end, we will be taking care all your queries. Okay. So let's start. Okay, so the duration of this demo session will be around 30 minutes. We are from Future Tech Skills. I am Yogesh Tyagi. I will be taking care of this session. About myself, my experience is 17 plus years of working experience and working as an QA architect. Now, who we are? We are Future Tech Skills founded by working professionals, and our experience is between 16 to 20 years. Now, we are providing training from last around 9 years, these online trainings, okay? And worldwide, we trained almost 30K resources in last around 9 years as a group, okay? Now, our results, so total results is 30K, but if we'll talk about last year, couple of programs we launched, okay? So I'm telling the result of that program. So around 1,200 resources enrolled over there and placed 1,105. Okay, so the result was around 95%. Maximum salary increase was 210%, minimum salary increase was 70%, and average salary increase was 145%. So this is what the result is. You guys will be getting it at the next slides, like how that kind of growth and all you guys can get. Okay. Now, if someone who is looking for growth and opportunity, though what kind of things they really need, right? So everyone wants a proper guidance, right? Like what kind of job they can apply, and even if they are aware, then they cannot, share the CV as it is, right? They will have to update the CV according to the position, right? Then next is they will have to prepare for the interview, right? If there is any opening, so according to the opening, they will have to brush up their skills, right? So how to crack the interview? This is what they will have to understand. And now later on, they will have to survive in the company, right? So for the survival purpose, they need to do practice and all. Once they have confidence, then they can easily, survive in any of the company. So everyone wants, any resource wants these three things, right? Proper guidance, interview and CV preparation, as well as technical upskill to survive in the organization after getting selected, right? So we have designed a program for the same thing, right? This is a unique training program, and this will ensure to secure your future as well as unlock your future so quickly, and you will be getting smart growth. When we are saying smart growth, minimum 50% growth you guys will be getting. Okay. We are providing technical trainings a week at a weekends, okay, and only practical trainings on tools and projects we provide. We never provide any kind of theory, so don't expect any theory. You are not a student and we are not teacher. We all are working professionals, right? So everything we will be learning practically. Next is interview preparation sessions. Let's say, for an example, you enroll somewhere for any training program, right? Let's say the duration is 4 months, 5 months. So once you will complete 5 months, you will start to give the interview. That you will have to brush up again whatever you have completed in last 4 to 5 months, right? But here we have interview preparation sessions. starting from the day one. Okay. So till the 3 month, you will be continuously preparing for the interview. So you will be at a very good level in the interview preparation session. So once you will complete your training program, you can crack interview in any of the company. So this is what we are providing, guys. So if someone is working as an QA resource, so how they can get good growth and opportunity? So if there is a technical QA resource, and other side there is a manual QA resource who is not having any technical skills. Okay, so basically we are comparing two resources, one technical QA resource, other one is manual QA resource, no technical skills. Okay, now technical QA resource are getting 3 times of their experience. If your experience is 10 years, on an average salary in the market is 3 times of your experience. Means 10 years of working experience, then you are getting 30 LP on an average. Some are getting more, some are getting less, but that's the average salary. Okay. Manual QA resource on an average experience into one, right? Some are getting more, some are getting less, but that's the market rate as an average, right? Second, if you are a technical QA resource, your future is secure. If you are not a technical, you are simple manual QA resource, your future is not secure. If any up and down will happen in a market, first these guys will be laid off from the company. Now, in the technical side, the future is safe and there is enough growth. But future is not safe as well as there is no growth visible in manual testing. Right? This is what. Okay. So this is what we all are aware, being an experienced QA resource, we are all are aware, like there is nothing in the manual, there is nothing, not much growth in the automation side as well. So what we can do now? Okay, so there are lots of things in the market, but maximum really don't know what to do. Okay, so the current market situation, if you will see, like if you are a manual QA resource, okay, or you are not technically skilled, then you may be looking like there is a market down, there is a recession in the market, but it's not like that because market has entirely shifted, right? So almost no growth, no interview calls, nothing, right? That's why they are feeling like there is a recession in the market, but it's not like that, right? So guys, if there is a resource and having more than 4 years of working experience, what can be options for that resource? The resource, like approximately 10% usually think like they are good in programming, and 90% are really not good in programming, right? So those are good in programming, they try to switch in Selenium automation. Those are not good in programming, their career is almost blocked, right? What they can do, they really don't know. Maximum after 10 years of working experience, they leave the IT because they don't have any idea where they can survive in their companies, right? So here is a better opportunity for everyone, right? So like in the data domain, the data domain is a very vast domain. Here, cloud, big data, Azure, AWS, GCP, right? Data analyst, data scientist, all things comes under this data domain, right? Easily everyone can survive here in this, right? And this is the fast growing domain. Think before 5 to 10 years, 5 years, even though, just think before that. Did you hear the data analyst, data scientist, cloud test? These words were there? No. After COVID, dramatically, the domain has shifted here in this cloud and data domain. That's why openings are there and everything, right? Okay. So why no growth for the manual QA resources? So guys, if you will relate, like before it like 10 years before Hadoop big data came, right? Then all companies migrated their existing projects into that, right? Lots of opening, lots of work were there, right? Now there were so many challenges. Now before 4 to 5 years, cloud came in picture, right? AWS, Azure, and all. Now companies are migrating their existing project into cloud, right? So if projects are migrating over there or new projects are creating directly over there, developing over there. Now, do you think the openings will come in your existing project wherever no work, or wherever they are migrating the project or new project they are developing, openings will be coming over there only, right? So if openings will be there, then obviously there will not be any growth for the manual query sources, right? Okay, so this is the main reason market has entirely shifted over there in the data domain in the cloud side. Okay, so what kind of requirement you guys will have? The data domain, ETL automation, data analyst, data scientist, cloud. I mean, these are the good technologies and future driven. If someone will learn next 8 to 10 years, they can easily survive over there, and they can secure their future as well. And growth and opportunity, I mean, amazing growth. You have seen resources are getting 70%, 80%, 100%, 200%, right? Because there is no as such competition as of now. If you will be learning, you will be doing practice on one project, easily you can crack the interview and you can get an opportunity and survive over there. Okay, like if you will see, like resources are getting 100% hike, 120%, 90%, like this hike, right? If you will see our Jan month's results, so on an average, more than 100% hike, everyone is getting. Okay. Now, so guys, what we are providing, we are providing the data domain technology side trainings, right? And in the data domain, if we are saying like in the data domain, obviously data will be there. If data will be there, how you can play with the data? Using the SQL queries. So two things are the will be working as an oxygen for the data domain. One is SQL. So if you are good in SQL, you can play with the data and you can survive in this domain. The first thing. Second, nowadays Python is good, right? If you will have to connect with you will have to connect with the cloud, any kind of cloud. You will have to connect with any kind of files, JSON, Parquet, in any kind of databases. So Python is something easily you can read the data, easily, very easy language, simple plain English. Python is, right? So database, we start from the data scratch, from basic to advanced level in the database side. Okay. Then after that, we move to the ETL data, because in the cloud side, there will be a data. Okay. Data will be moving from one layer to another layer, right? So you will have to apply all the logics, whatever is available in the ETL side, right? So first we should be aware what all about the ETLs, right? Now, data migration, lots of migration projects are there. Then the data analytics, many query sources are migrating their profile from the manual QA to the data analytics. And the Informatica, Power BI, Hadoop, Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, ETL automation, very demanding profile. Okay. And obviously the Python. This is what we are providing. And everything is linked to other. Okay. Once, like, let's say for an example, you will have to work at AWS Cloud. So what is the prerequisite? What you should learn? So you should learn SQL queries, ETL data warehouse. These two things you should be aware. Once you are aware, you are good to work in AWS Cloud. Okay. If you will have to automate the AWS Cloud, how you can automate? Then you will have to learn Python, right? So this is what everything is related to each other. Okay. And as in package, we are providing all these things. Okay. Opportunities. Why more opportunities in the data domain? We already discussed. All works, all projects are migrating from existing technology to the cloud. All new projects are developing at the cloud directly. Lots of data is generating. They will have to analyze and all. So there are many reasons to have the openings, to have the opportunities in the data domain. So prerequisites, we already discussed, like if you will have to switch here in the data domain, then what is the prerequisite? So do you think programming is mandatory? No, guys. SQL queries are mandatory. And SQL query is something anyone can learn, even the freshers. We learned SQL during our MCA in 2007-8. Okay. So anyone can learn easily the SQL queries. Okay. Now, if let's say the challenge. If someone is having, more than 5 years of working experience, they start to feel the pain in the manual QA, right? Like there is no future, nothing. They will have to switch, where they will have to switch and all, right? Like, let's say for an example, there is a team in any company, right? So obviously 5 to 10% resources usually work at any project at the critical functionality, so they usually get the hikes and all, so they feel like they are safe. 90% usually don't get growth and all, right? So 10% usually think like they are good in programming, so they try to switch here in the Selenium automation. But 90% are not good in programming. This is the major blocker. Okay, they don't get growth. They scared about the future. Like if something up and down will happen here in the market, then they lose their job. Okay, and really maximum don't know what to do next. Correct. So that's why main reason is many manual query source leave this IT. Okay. Now, so being a doctor and patient, like we are experienced QA resources, we know like where you can switch, what market is looking for, and how you can survive here in this domain, right? So we help you here, we hold your hand, we provide you everything, whatever support is required, and ultimately at the end you will get settled in the organization. Okay, so guys, these trainings will be helpful for all of you. If you are not getting growth, you want to switch your career, you left your job, or you want to start your career, right? So now you should be giving your commitment till the end of the training, like you are willing to learn, right? Your dedication level, your energy level should be the same. If you are good to give this kind of commitment for the next 2 to 3 months, then definitely I can give you in writing in as a guarantee, like you can get selected with a good hike in any company. Okay, so first thing is intended audience, guys, who can join these trainings. Initially, we designed these programs for the manual query sources, but nowadays, everyone, like developers, those are not too good in the programming side. They are coming here in the ETL automation and all, and they are enjoying and getting good package compared to that package, whatever they were getting over there as a developer, right? Backend support providers, Selenium automation, many QA resources, those were not good in programming, and they were, facing challenges as in Selenium automation tester. They are coming here and enjoying. ETL query source, leads and managers, so everyone, because this is a domain which is growing and keep growing. So it's the time where easily anyone can switch and get the opportunity. Okay. Now about the trainings, guys, this is the main thing. So whatever training we provide, everything will be practically. We don't provide any theory and never expect any theory from our side. We will provide you the tools, software, project, everything we will be providing you. We will be doing practice during the sessions. You guys will be doing the practice at home. You will have to complete the assignments and all, right? So you will be gaining confidence. Once you will start to gain confidence, your accelerator will start to push, right? And then you will be definitely getting selected in the companies, right? Growth. See the growth here. So if you will see, like I just mentioned here, 6 profiles. First is the manual testing. So package for the manual QA resource is average experience into one. Selenium automation testing, average package is 2 times of the experience. ETL testing, 3 times of the experience. Big data testing or cloud testing, 4 times or 5 times of their experience. I mean, package is open. Okay. So this is what the domain is. Okay. Package is enough. If you will try to learn, you will get selected. You will get the package, whatever you will be thinking, right? Okay. So what kind of resource companies are looking for? Companies needs a best soul, best resource, best talent who can work individually with multi skills. Okay, like For an example, if you don't have any skills or you have only one skill, company may not hire you or you may not be getting interview calls. That's true, right? But if you have multi skills, you will be getting lots of calls, and whatever package you will be asking, they will definitely will give you, right? Only you will have to justify your asking package by your skills only, nothing else. If you will be justifying that package using your skills, company will provide you. They don't have any budget issue. They need only a good resource. Okay, so left side, the current market for the manual query sources, they thought like there is no opening and market is down. Right side is the data domain query sources, right? They feel market is super, market is good, and they are getting good hike and opportunities. Okay, so if you are a manual query source, then you can learn SQL query, ETL testing, data migration, tools like Power BI, Informatica, QuerySurge, right? Cloud, AWS, so easily, right? I'm not saying out of 10, you will be learning all 10, but if you will be learning 5, 6, ultimately minimum 100%, right? Minimum. Okay. Now, if you are a ETL QA, right, you will have to first learn the tools, you will have to learn automation, right? And then definitely you will be getting amazing growth and all. Okay, so once you will be learning all these, your market rate, your price, your package will be definitely too high. Because these all are the market demanding technologies, right? Like think like ETL automation using Python. See, if you will be getting a single tutorial, single, videos at the YouTube, nothing you will be getting, right? Because whosoever is working on these technologies, they are getting enough package, enough growth, and they are satisfied. They are not really need to work here to provide the trainings and all, right? So this is the main reason, and this is the growing, keep growing and growing domain, right? So it's easy and best time to switch over there with a smart eye. Okay, so amazing benefits, guys. So once you will join these programs, so at a weekend, per day 2 hours, okay, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, you will be getting interview preparation weekday in the morning. Okay, interview preparation session will happen. Okay, and if you need any clarification or like you have any doubt and all, so we have weekdays daily one session 9 to 10. You can connect during that and you can clarify your all the doubts whatever you will have. Okay, so here you will be and the interview preparation. So this is a very good session. Okay, you will be getting lots of confidence. We will be helping you to prepare your CVs. You will be getting lifetime video recording access as well. Okay, and finally the support. If you need any support, we are ready always, and we will provide you the support. Okay. Now, so we are going to start a batch from tomorrow, 9th of Feb, in the morning, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, in the weekdays, and in the morning, 7:30 to 8:30 in a weekdays. Okay, in the interview preparation session. So this is what we are providing. And now let me quickly jump to the website. Let me show you. 1 second. Let me open that first. Here you go. Let me open browser. And here something future tech. Okay. Now let me share my screen. It's my Zoom. Okay, so this is our website, futuretechskills.in. Okay, you can refer the homepage. You can read like who we are and all about us, what all things we provide. Okay, all technologies, the paths, like all the packages. Okay, these all are the trainers. Okay, you can refer all trainers. You will be getting the certificate as well, testimonials. You can refer those are selected in the companies. Okay. So you can refer. So one thing like we already discussed, but let me tell you one thing, like we are providing almost all the trainings, okay, but not individual trainings. Because as I told you, one skill will not help you out. Okay. So we are providing things in a packages. So you can refer the package tab. Under the package tab, there is a premium package. Under the premium package, all technologies are mentioned, which you have seen at the slide. Okay. Cloud, AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, data analytics, big data, migration, SQL queries, ETL testing, ETL automation, Python, everything is mentioned over here, right? You can refer like 4+ months, now mock interviews, recording, job stand, CV preparation, 20,000 plus GST for this, ETL automation. This is what we are here for this, right? ETL automation, here you will be getting the Python, SQL queries, ETL testing, and finally ETL automation using Python, right? So this is 3+ months training program. So you can refer, so 18,000 plus GST, 18,500 excluding GST is the price cost for this particular training program. We have ETL testing program as well. Here ETL automation is not included, but Power BI and Informatica is here. So ETL automation and Python is not the part of this ETL testing package. But in ETL testing, database testing means SQL queries, Informatica, Power BI, and these 5 will be. Okay, this is the most trending package. So what I mean to say, what it means, why I'm showing you package, because someone can get the opportunity when that resource has the complete knowledge of that particular domain or the skill set. So these all are the related skill set. You will be getting selected once you will have the knowledge of all these skills. That's why we are providing all these things in our packages. And under the live session, if you will refer the live session tab, okay. So this is the interview preparation session happens in the morning, okay. This is the ETL automation batch which we are going to start, okay. So time will be 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. If you will be interested, right, you can buy from here directly, and you will be team will add you in a WhatsApp group, and you will be getting the Zoom meeting detail and all over there, and then you will start your live trainings, okay. So this is what, and these all are the running batches, right? So this is what we are providing, guys. So now, if you will have any query, then I'll be taking your all the queries. You can type here in the chat box. I will start to take. Okay. So here, Shubham, screen is not visible. Are you sharing? Yeah, man, I already shared. Not sure. You couldn't see or not, Shubham. Okay. Will you be providing any discount? These all are the discounted rate, man. Okay. These are not okay. Now, what about the market? Market is too good. Okay. You will be getting enough opportunity and growth. Okay. At least give me a demo on website how ETL testing have been done. Yeah, definitely you will be getting UAs. Okay, do we have the EMI option as well? EMI option, yes, we can provide, but you will be charged a little more compared to this, right? Can I pay using credit card? Yeah, credit card option is available, right? Once you will start to pay from there, so you will be getting the credit card option as well. Please tell me about the new batch. Yeah, new batch is going to start from tomorrow, Dhananjay, right? In the morning, 8 to 10. Okay. Okay. Uh, Now, do we need to pass any assignment to eligible for the interview? No, it's not like that. But yes, you will have to complete the assignment, because all the assignment after each and every session, let's say for an example, we covered 3 new topics. And those are the, because see, for related one technology, there are lots of things. What we cover, what is critical, what is important, what we use on daily basis in the companies, at the projects, and what can be asked in an interview. Okay, what is the important, what we cover during the live sessions on a projects, right? So if you covered, let's say for an example, three topics in one session, so you will be getting one assignment related to one topic. If we cover three topics, you will be getting three assignment, so that you can relate that topic, you can practice on that particular topic, and you will be getting all things at tips, right? So if you will be completing, definitely you will be gaining lots of confidence. Okay. Sadhka, I'm working on non-tech background, 6 years. Can I switch automation testing? Uh, Testing side, man, Sadhkan, I can tell you one thing, like here we provide training on the testing side technologies and all. If someone is having at least manual testing experience, if someone is not having manual testing experience, because see, if you are working as a performance tester, automation tester, cloud tester, so the basics will be the smoke testing and all will be from the manual testing, right? So before, if you have the knowledge of manual testing concepts, then it's good for you. Otherwise, I will say, like, you should go for data analytics side, because there is no technical skills required. Okay. Okay. The timings are fixed or flexible for weekdays. Weekdays timings are fixed in the morning for interview preparation sessions. Okay. And at a weekend, the timings again fixed 8 to 10 a.m. Okay. Live sessions and package are same cost price. Yeah. See, live sessions, like the price you will be getting. Okay. So you will be paying for the live sessions, technical trainings for the weekend, for the recordings, for you will be paying for the interview preparation session. So as in the package you are paying. So everything you will be getting in that package only. Okay. Ashok Raju, do we have couple of sessions as a part of demo? Yeah, we can have, that's fine. We don't have any issue, right? We can provide that also, right? Sridhar, I can't join from tomorrow. When will be the next? Next batch we usually start, once in a 3 month, means once in a quarter, right? So if you are unable to join this, you will have to wait for the next 3 months. Sridhar, okay, then this is not assignment, assessment like exam. Okay, but no, we are not students. We are not treating you as a student, right? We will treat you as a professional, so we will be providing training in that way only, right? Okay, Rajas, please share what you will be covering in the ETL automation side. Okay, ETL automation, go to the website, open the ETL automation and see the content is mentioned over there. Okay. Okay. Naveen Kumar, my current getting, my current package, you missed the package part. Okay. It's around 15 LPA. How much? But what's your experience, right? You are getting 15 LPA at what experience? Then I can suggest. Okay. Achin, will you share payment link to purchase directly? Achin, anyone can buy directly from the website, right? We will be getting all the details, and at the same time, you will be getting the access of the portal. Okay. Once you will log in, all the recordings, assignments, and all you will be getting over there on the daily basis inside that, right? Like at Udemy, right? At other portals, right? So you will get over there. Similarly, many classes we will do directly at the portal only, right? So once you will buy that, you will be getting all the access. So that's it. Okay. EMI option for payment. Yeah, EMI option. See, there are two type of EMI option. Once you will try to pay using the portal, there will be the EMI options. You can pay in 12 EMI, 9 EMI, whatever you will select. At the same time of payment, you will be getting that option over there. Okay. Okay, Reshma. I have 7 years of working experience in manual. Do I need to start as a fresher in? No, no, no. Reshma, it's not like that. See, as I told you, your experience is 7 years and minimum 3 to 4 years you will be justifying here in the ETL side. Why? Let me tell you. ETL testing, we will provide with a project. We will prepare the test plan first. We will prepare all the steps one by one. Then all the test cases, we will start with the project. How we will validate all test cases. Once you will practice the same thing twice at the same project we will provide to you. In ETL side, if you will work at one project or two project or three project, process is same. Okay. So if you will work at one project, two times, things will be at your tips and you can easily justify your experience minimum 3 to 4 years. You will not be considered as an fresher over there. Don't worry. Okay. You will be getting more than whatever you are expecting. Okay. The test plan and all, everything we prepare. Yogesh Kumar, how someone can be prepared for interview when program just started? Okay, see, we never start from the day one, the interview. Let's say we are going to start a batch from tomorrow, technically. Okay, now interview preparation session start after 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, because in 3 weeks you will be covering lots of technical sessions, right? Now the same things will start from the in an interview preparation session, right? So now technical later on after 3 weeks, technical sessions will be at a weekend, and in a weekdays parallelly there will be interview preparation sessions. So all topics will be on your tips. Okay. So as and when you will be getting interview calls, you can crack, let's say you will be sitting after 3 months in 3 interviews, two you will be cracking easily, definitely. Okay. How are these automation deployed? I didn't get it. What it means? What do you want to ask? Okay. Shubham, which package has to we select? Okay, you can select the ET. Let me show you again. Go to the package tab, and even though don't go in a package tab, don't worry. Go to the live sessions. In a live session, your batch number will be 181, right? You will have to buy the 181. So everything you will be getting in that particular batch. Okay. When we can have tomorrow, we will have done session. Okay. Archana, can I enroll ETL automation testing only or any cloud testing course? See, again, I'm telling you, ETL automation testing course we were providing in the same cost from last 4 years approx. 18,000 plus GST we were providing, and still that is the website. We prepared a package and we additionally added these. After looking the market, we added these additionally over there, right? Because until unless we are not good in Python, we are not good in SQL, we are not good in ETL, maybe you are good in ETL, right? So if Python you are not good, you will have to learn from scratch, right? Because you guys have filled that particular form and we have detailed like no one is mentioned over there like they are at expert level in Python. They are expert level in SQL. Intermediate level, some of them in intermediate level, kind of hardly 10%. Otherwise, maximum beginner level in Python and all. So things will take time. So you guys, you will have to go in that particular package, right? Ashok, I'm already in automation and my package is 3x of the experience. How this course will help? Definitely, right? As I told during the this particular webinar, okay, just before 10 to 15 minutes, average package in the data domain is 3 times, right? And the ETL automation resources are getting 4 times and 5 times as well, right? Because there are few resources, but demand is huge. Every company is looking for, right? Okay, Yogesh, 3 months is very long time. Can we complete this program little bit early? Yogesh, we don't want to complete any program in a hurry. We will be completing each and everything, whatever is required to have that knowledge. practically, right? So you will have Python, SQL, ETL, and then ETL automation. These four things takes time, at least 3 months. Less than 3 months, really not feasible. If you want to learn cloud as well, like AWS Azure, you can learn later on. But these things will take 3 times, right? 3 months. Dhananjay, for new batch from tomorrow, do I need to enroll today? And also little confused the package detail. Can you summarize one more thing? I am QA lead, 6+ years of working experience, UAT testing. Okay, so see, that's fine. Your experience is 6 years and really nice, man. So what do you want me to explain here in the package side? Package is something as a resource. If I'm looking one particular package, means in a company package in amount, right? If I'm looking like I want 60 LPA, like my package is something like uh, around, let's say, 50 LPA. I'm looking 60 LPA for an example, right? So what additional things I should have? Let's say I have some skill set, so I need to add some skill set, then I will be looking for switch. This is something, right? So in this particular domain, we have created multiple packages. Like if you want ETL automation, so what all things will be required to start with ETL automation? I need SQL query, I need Python, I need ETL, then ETL automation will be done, right? Then later on, you can go for a cloud, because cloud will use all the concept of ETL, and Python will be used for automation in cloud, right? So all things will be in a sequence, right? So these packages we created. So if you want to select, you can select the ETL automation one in the live session. 181 batch you can select and you can go ahead with it, right? Achin, are we going to cover ETL tool also? ETL tool, like which ETL tool you want to cover? Informatica, right? Let me know, Achin. Okay. Naveen, I have 4+4.5 years of working experience. So what, man? Naveen? Okay. Ankit Yadav. If I want to join from tomorrow, what is the last time limit here? Ankit, uh, last time limit, I didn't get it. What do you want to ask, man? So basically, you will have to register and then you can join tomorrow, right? Okay, I have 7+ years of working experience in ETL data warehouse testing. Is there any option to develop the course? I need Python, ETL automation, QuerySurge, Python only. Okay. See, if you want this, then go ahead with the premium package. In the premium package, QuerySurge is there, right? QuerySurge we cover in the premium package, right? Python is there, ETL automation is there, right? But QuerySurge is the part of premium package. Okay, we covered in the detail QuerySurge. Don't worry, right? So who is this? Your name is missing, man. Okay, Achin. What all tools do we need to on our machine, laptop, course? Okay. Achin, for this particularly, like Informatica, before a couple of years, we were providing all the tools, I mean the softwares, and we were asking you to install and all, right? But Informatica needs a lots of space, minimum 16 GB RAM. Software is too heavy. So and lots of other softwares. But nowadays we are providing Informatica Cloud, so there is no need to have in the system. In system, only two things you will have to install: the SQL Server you will be installing, and another is Power BI. These two things you will be installing. Otherwise, rest all things will be at cloud only directly. Okay, and we will be configuring the project and all. So don't worry about it. Okay. So nowadays, but minimum, if you will be having 16 GB RAM and at least 500 GB hard disk, more than enough. You will be enjoying. Okay. Ajay, Are we going to cover AI part also, share the content and well, okay. AI part we will be covering, and like we in our current organization we are using AI. We in our current projects we implemented AI. We are testing that, right? So AI is helping a lot. What AI is helping, AI will be saving your more than 50% time, more than 50%, and it will improve your quality as well. You raised a very good question, man, right? So it will help you to survive in IT for a long time. We will be covering that part also, Ajay, right? Don't worry. We can take 2-3 sessions as well for that, right? Okay. Will you provide the access for the cloud platform, and what all are the cloud technologies? Cloud technologies, if you want to cover, you will have to go with the premium package. In the premium package, AWS Cloud and Azure Cloud will be covered. Okay. Then in the training package details which should I pick? Dhananjay, you can pick either the premium package or the ETL automation, any of these, right? Rajesh, tomorrow we have, yes, you have, Rajesh. Please schedule 4-5 demo class for it. 4-5. How man? Okay. Archana, can we select any training package or just ETL package? ETL testing. Okay, see, first you will have to, okay, you can ping at WhatsApp. You may have our my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp number, right? You guys directly ping there. So definitely we can help you out over there, right? Because based on your experience, we can suggest better. Okay. Okay, Dhananjay want to enroll in the premium package. So when this training program will start from tomorrow itself, right? Okay, this package is too confusing. Tomorrow you are going to ETL automation Python premium packages to. Okay, see, whatever is the part of ETL automation, that is the part of premium package. But cloud technologies, QuerySurge, Power BI, Informatica, those are the part of premium package. Okay, if you will be buying premium package, your duration of the batch will get increased. ETL automation one, they can leave the batch after 3 months once that will complete, and the premium one will be continuing, right? Hope you got the answer. I when the premium batch session from tomorrow itself, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Still lots of questions are there. Okay. I have a session just after 5 minutes. Okay. If you guys will have any query, then please go ahead and ping at my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is there, right? You may have received the message today itself from my WhatsApp number. Go there and ping if you have any query. Otherwise, register and let's and see you tomorrow in the session, right? But if you are unable to select like where you will have to register and all, just ping me and team will help you out. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.